We're looking for Insta360 X3. It's difficult to find because in every store we visited it's out of stock. Our last option is to go to Infomax in SM Megamall. By the way, thank you to the staffs of Infomax in SM Megamall. Good thing that we got the last piece. X3 delivers the most megapixels ever in a 360 action camera with 72 megapixels photos for ultra-detailed stills. I am a GoPro user. But this camera has a lot of features, that's why it is the best-selling action camera in the market. The price of this camera ranges from 29,000 to 31,000 pesos. We bought this for 32,900 pesos including the invisible selfie stick. Sometimes other store promo the stick as free. But we bought it separately because of the high demands in sales. Now let's open the box. We have 32 GB memory card, manual, USB data cable Type-C, warranty, stickers and selfie stick. The selfie stick can be mounted in a tripod or grip tripod. I'm using my Pay-U Tech Grip Tripod. Here is the interface. As you can see, it has two cameras. We have the charging port, the battery. It's a lot bigger and high capacity. The micro SD card slot. You can attach your invisible stick with your grip tripod. And you can expand the stick. You can directly attach the grip tripod to your Insta360 X3. Let's turn it on. The power button is in the side. It has a touch screen and it is very responsive. Let's switch to the second camera and try recording some video clips. It has HDR, time-lapse, time shift, bullet time, loop recording, star-lapse, and burst. There are other shortcut keys when you scroll the screen. But if you want to view your recording, just scroll it to the right side. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy this short video about Insta360 X3.